Hey you guys, read this with me. Beef ribeye steak, boneless, USDA prime for $14.99 a pound. Now, look at these steaks. Do they look like ribeyes to you guys? Because they don't look like no ribeyes to me. So I got these at Costco the other day, and what I'm thinking is somebody placed these filet mignons and put the wrong labeling on them, which is good for me because they're a lot cheaper than the choice filet mignons. So, man, my win right here. Now look at the marbling. Very good marbling. Pretty thick pieces. Three out of four are pretty thick. So, man, I'll take it. Now, these are ribeyes from Walmart. It actually look pretty damn good. And I was thinking, well, maybe it's the eye of the ribeye. Maybe that's what those steaks are. But looking back at it again, they just look too damn fat and big to be the eye of the ribeye. Now, glance at these again. Look at the spinalis. Very well marbled. I'm just very impressed with this. Walmart's doing a good job of having good steaks. So I don't see nothing wrong with these. And for just 10 bucks a pound, I'm going to snatch these bad boys up. I'm also going to share with you guys a pretty cool way to light your charcoal in the chimney. This method has been staring at me in the face, and I'm just now going to try it out, and I'm very, very satisfied with it. Check it out. So after 5 minutes, I turned off the propane tank, and it took 12 minutes to get it fully engulfed like this. Look how hot them coals are. Oh yeah. So I got about 520 degrees opposite of the coals, and I'm ready. And here you see a filet mignon with some thin cut New Yorks ready to go. Look how hot this is. Check it out. Bam. Oh, this cook is primarily going to be about that filet mignon. Just to show off how nice this thing came out. Oh yeah, look how beautiful these grill marks came out. And there you have it, guys. Sweet potato mash with some asparagus and filet mignon. Don't get better than that. All right, you like what you see, hit that like. Don't forget that notification button. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Don't be shy.